Thank you for landing in me channel. Enjoy the video until end. Thank you.
A holy sock. Take sewing needle and thread. Sew a holy sock. Start from one of the end of the hole. Pull and lock the stitches at the end of the seam. Prepare zip rail. Prepare a straw. You can use straw at your home. Cut straw with scissor sapropox 1.5 cm. Enter into zip rail and cut it. Lock it with sew the straw in both sides. Scrape off rough cloth. Prepare a cutter knife, comb and glue. Stick the cutter knife with comb glue. Start to scrape off the rough cloth. Do it carefully. Knot decoration. Folding socks tips. Put the socks overlapping, one position vertically and the other horizontal. Bend and fold it the inside one, then loft it by inserting one end into the other end. Other way, put the socks by stacking them parallel to each other, leaving both ends folded. Loft it by tucking one end into the other. Folding shirts and pants.
Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe and like button to get first notification for our next video. Thank you.